Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Warframe on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Warframe on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, you will need to have the Steam app first, since this is where we will be able to download the game. So if you don't have Steam yet, I will show you how to download it right now, but if you already have it, you can skip this step and proceed to this timestamp of this video to continue. So to install Steam on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Steam, since that's where we can download their app. So just search for Steam on your search bar. And after searching, there it is guys. You will now be able to see the official website of Steam, so just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download the Steam app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the Install Steam option right here at the top, so just go and click it. And then you will now be directed to the downloading page of Steam, so just click the Install Steam button once again. And after clicking it, your Steam setup file will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to select the language that you want your Steam to use. In my case, I'm fine with English, so I will just click Next to proceed. And then here, your system will show you the location where the Steam installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click the Browse button and set it to the folder where you want to save it, but if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, your Steam will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys, your Steam will now be opened. So now that you've opened your Steam, you can now sign in right here if you already have an account, but if you're new and don't have an account yet, just click this Create Free Account button right here. And now that you already have your Steam, I will now show you how to download the game here. So for the first step, I want you to search for the name of the game on the search bar to find it. And after searching, you will now be able to see the game. Just go and select it. And here's the game Warframe guys. So to download it, just scroll down a little and then you will be able to see the Play Game button right here. Just go and click it. And then Steam will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this, or you can also just select the drive where you want to save it on your storage here. And if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And then the game will now start installing. This might take some time depending on your internet speed since the game's size is kinda big, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game.